So at the beginning of the year, I made a decision around networking events and which ones I would be attending and which ones I wouldn't be attending. Now, when I shared those decisions with people, I actually discovered a bit of judgment. Now, there was a bit of judgment on my part and there was a bit of judgment on their part. Oh, really? You're not going? Oh, I thought you'd say yes to that. And then I was going, oh, maybe I should have said yes to that. Maybe that would be a good place for me to go. And what that did was took out my power. Even if it feels like it's not a good decision, maybe you just need to give it a moment to be more comfortable in that decision and stop worrying so much about what everybody else thinks and just stick with what works for you. Make that decision, stay in your power, and make it work for you.